Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the original AirPods Pro 2 and their counterfeit counterparts. If you're considering investing in a pair of these high-end earbuds, stick around, because this could save you from making a costly mistake. First up, the original AirPods Pro 2. Straight out of the box, you can feel the premium quality. The sleek design, the perfect fit, and the impeccable craftsmanship are just a few things that set the originals apart. Apple's attention to detail ensures that every component is of the highest standard, providing a seamless experience. Now, let's take a look at the fake ones. At first glance, they might seem similar, but a closer inspection reveals the flaws. The materials feel cheaper, the finish isn't as smooth, and the overall build lacks the precision of the original. These differences might seem minor, but they can significantly impact your user experience. When it comes to sound quality, the originals truly shine. The active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and adaptive EQ deliver an immersive audio experience that's hard to beat. The fakes, on the other hand, fall short. The sound is often tinny, with a lack of depth and clarity. The noise cancellation, if present at all, is subpar. With the original AirPods Pro 2, you're not just paying for the product, you're paying for peace of mind. Apple's warranty and customer support ensure that you're covered in case of any issues. Plus, regular firmware updates mean your AirPods Pro 2 will only get better over time. Another key point is the seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem. The original AirPods Pro 2 connect effortlessly with all your Apple devices, making switching between your iPhone, iPad, and MacBook a breeze. This level of convenience is something the fake versions simply can't offer. So, is it worth saving a few bucks for the fakes? Absolutely not. The inferior build, poor sound quality, and lack of support make them a poor investment. With the originals, you're guaranteed top-notch performance, durability, and a user experience that's second to none. Now, here's an exclusive offer just for our viewers. We've partnered with Amazon to bring you the original AirPods Pro 2 at an unbeatable price. Use the link in the description and pinned comment to access a special page where you can get a $50 discount plus an additional 20% off. That's right, you can get the original AirPods Pro 2 for the price of the fakes. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and exclusive offers. See you next time.